Hi lovelies, it's Frederica and I'm back with another video. I have like a mini shopping haul that I wanted to share with you guys and tell you about this new purse company. Well, it's not really a purse company. It took the place of Charming Charlie in the mall that I have, and Charming Charlie went out of business a while ago. But there's another great store that was in the mall that I got a chance to check them out, and they're called Versona. So shopversona.com. So it's not sponsored. I really shopped there, and I just wanted to show you a couple of the items that I found. It's a really nice store. When you get in there, they have like the jewelry in different sections. Everything's all colorized. They have different sections for like clothing, earrings, purses, other little things. Like they had, like right now, all their summer apparel is out. So I'm anxious to see what's going to happen in the fall and the winter, what kind of things they'll sell then. I don't know if I saw any shoes. No, I don't think they had any shoes. But I did remember purses, sunglasses. Oh my God, you know, we love sunglasses on this channel. Let's see, what else did they have? Dresses, just like dresses and t-shirts, different things like that. So it's like when you go in, it's a very inviting store. They have different rounders everywhere, and everything is all colorized, like I said, in different colors. It reminds me so much of Charming Charlie in a lot of ways, but it looks like this store is bigger, and they said that they're primarily out south, and they're here in the Midwest too. So it's kind of good, which means, you know, I get to check them out, and hopefully they'll be around for a long time. It's a really cool store. So again, that's Versona. Shopversona.com is their website. Bring that up to the camera so you guys get a closer look. And let's just get right into it. See what they got. What I got. And what they have. Anyway, this is Nanette Lepore. Nanette Lepore handbag. And I really hope you guys will be able to see all the beautiful details inside of here. It's just really, really a beautiful, beautiful handbag. Like, and I'm going to wear this even in, I don't care, in the winter. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the detail. This is so cute. See? Look at that. All the floral detail inside. It's so pretty. And it's got the two side pockets here that I just showed you. And both of these snap. They have a snap closure. But they also have an inside zip closure. So it's very roomy. It's a very spacious bag. And Nanette Lepore is a famous designer. So it's really cool that she's, you know, at Versona. It also has an inside pocket. You can see this hasn't been like worn yet or utilized. So it's a very big bag. But more importantly, you guys want to know the price, right? You know, we're bargainistas, fashionistas on this channel. So let's see. Well, it used to be $39.99, and I got it for $26.99. I hope you can see the tag. So that is a real ultimate bargain. So can't wait to wear this beauty. And these are the little tassels, the handles. And it comes with these two straps. I like the little gold detail here. It's very pretty. So that's the end of that bag. And let's see what else I got to pick up there. I think they got some sunglasses from there too, but I got to check the other bag for that. Then I found this other cute bag. White is really, you know, pretty for spring, summer, but you can wear white anytime, guys. Don't just think it's a summer, spring thing. You can wear it anytime. So, but look at the gold details on this purse. Very pretty. I don't know who it's by. I don't think it was a Nanette Lepore bag per se, but look at the pretty tassel. And it has the snap closure. I love the chain link belt accent on it. It has a little gold zip detail. It has snap closure. Look how the bottom is made. It's very pretty. And inside, look at the pretty details inside. So they really take their time on these purses. These are very pretty, the little details. And I don't don't know if the price is still on here. Let me see. Oh, yes, it is. It used to be $27.99 and got it for $7.99. So, wow, that was a good deal. So this is very pretty. I look forward to wearing both of these. And I think I got some glasses, but we'll get to that in a minute. I just want to show you some more stuff I found. And I hope you guys got a chance to check out the Burlington Coat Factory / Dollar Tree shopping trip that I was on maybe 2 Sundays ago. But I uploaded the video this week. So you should have saw it. So I'm going to show you what I got from there. Primarily stuff for my son. And everything's not from Burlington per se. Okay, I think these came from Macy's. These little Nike Pro short like leggings, biker short leggings. And I got them in a larger size because I don't like them to be snug. Like I said, when you go to Macy's and they never have a sale on like Nike and Calvin Klein, you're lucky when you can get it, because these used to be $55 and I got these for like $29.99. My husband got these for me. So yeah, I hope you can see the price. It used to be $55, but then 45% off, $29.99. So that was a good buy for these. It's a cute little pair of like leggings. Then Burlington Coat Factory. This is the one video that I did for you guys, and I was like, oh my God, I missed the 85% off sale. I mean, they literally had nothing there, and I showed you guys that I was in the store, and there was nothing. So that was crazy. And I go to Burlington a lot, and I've never seen it that empty. And my husband even thought they were like closing down. I was like, I don't think so. I think that maybe they're just revamping and they're getting in new clothes or whatever. So I asked, and they were actually had this sale that they had for like 2 or 3 weeks, and nobody really knows about the hours now because of the COVID-19 and everything. You know, everything's changed from city to city and from mall to mall and retail to retail. You don't know. The only people that have really been essentially open all the time is like Target, Walgreens, Walmart, of course, and places like that. So I was lucky to find a few bargains, which I showed some of them on camera, but these I didn't show you on camera. Or maybe I did. Yeah, I probably did show you guys on camera, but I didn't do a separate, I wanted to do a separate video to show you like collectively what I got all together. So these Calvin Klein jeans shorts, normally retail for $39.50. I did not pay that because I got these at Burlington, and these are just super cute for my little boy. Just see him rocking this. And it's okay to make your kids be stylish. There's nothing wrong with that. I think kids should be stylish because your kids are an accent and like a description of what you are or who you are. They're just an extension of you, so you should always try to make sure your kids look as good as you do. And that's what I'm a believer in. I mean, even though they grow out of stuff right away, it's still important for them to have their own style and just like, you know, come into their own style when they're young, and then they kind of, that carries on with them throughout their life. So I believe in that. I'm a big believer in that. And if you're like that too, comment below, you know, that you like to dress your kids nice and, you know, nice apparel. You know, it speaks a lot. It speaks volumes. So I like to do that for my kids, and I like doing it for myself. You know, when I dress them and they look good, I feel good about it. So that's why I like doing it. So that was a good buy. I did not pay $39.50 for those. Now if I went to Macy's, I'm sure I would have. But that was at Burlington Coat Factory. And these two came from Burlington Coat Factory. Swim shorts. Now, you can dress swim shorts up. You don't have to just have them for swimming, you know. So that's what I plan to do when I style my son in these. You got these cute little swim shorts there by Distortion. They're called. And just look at the cute little details on these little, like, little fishies on them. These are so cute. They have the drawstring inside, you know. So that's really cute. And the drawstring out. So it had like double drawstring. I've never seen that. So that's a really cute design on these shorts. And also, if you don't want your kid to like wear them regularly, they could be good sleep shorts too, you know. So if you want them to sleep in them, or if you want them to wear them out, then, you know, either way, it's like a dual function for this types of shorts. Or swimming, third function, you know. Okay. Distortion. Okay, this is another Distortion brand. And also these are 50 plus UPF. So it offers like ultraviolet protection. So that's good. You know, it's called distortionclothing.com. I had never heard of this brand, but that's really cool. And look at this. I like the color in this. Detail in this is so nice. Green, the green and gray. So these are very cute and stylish. Then the other pair that I got for him were Nike shorts. And we all know Nike is expensive. These literally would have been $38. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. But I got them for far cheaper than that. Nike shorts. Like that. And can you imagine for little ones paying like, this was $38, right? $38, and then that one's $39.50. Oof, no, you cannot. Like $70-something, $77, $78.50 for like 2 pair of shorts, and your kids are constantly growing. No, don't do that if you can help it. So again, Versona.com. I'm back to them. Found 2 sunglasses. You know your sunglass girl. I gotta come through for y'all. So let's see what they got. I just love their bags too. The bags are so cool and nice. Like they put your sunglasses in the little bag. And that, oh, I actually got, oh, I thought I got 3. I got 2 happy guys. I haven't looked in the bag in a while. But anyway, I got 2 shades, 2 new sunglass shades. I don't know how much these used to be. Let's see. Oh, these used to be $9.99 and I got them for $5.99. But look at the pretty detailing. These remind me of the ones that I lost a long time ago. Like they had the same texture and the same color. They were by Franco Sardo. So, see, can't tell me these aren't cute. Oh, and did you guys check out my shirt today? Kind people are my kind of people. $5 below, $5. So, that. And my earrings are when I first got married. These are like 14 years old. Yeah. So I got these at like a really unique store. That was, what's it called? Pink Frog? I think that's the name of the store. Pink Frog in Chicago. But anyway, yeah. They're very old, but you can't tell. Then let's see. These sunglasses. All gray and stylish. They even go with today's outfit. So those are very cute. And let's check the price on these for you guys. These were $9.99 and they got marked down to like $7.99. I don't know if you can see it. $7.99, and I don't know if I showed the price on this one. So these were like $9.99 and then they became $5.99. So that's the end of the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was short and sweet. So I encourage you to shop at Burlington, shop at Versona. If you have a Versona in your area, they said they're down south. They have some in the Midwest here. Macy's was having a sale last week. I don't know if they still have it, but check it out. If you're a Macy's person, you know, and you want to check it out. It's like they've taken a lot of the good stores away. Lord & Taylor was one of like my go-to stores. They are actually only online now. So, so Macy's is still around and still, but they said they were closing some stores too. So that was even before the pandemic. So, I don't know what's happening now. But anyway, I enjoyed this video and I hope you guys comment, like, subscribe, share the channel. Make sure you comment down below where your favorite places to shop. You know, I want to know where you guys like to shop too. Are you like an online shopper or do you like to go? Sometimes I like to go and like, I like to go. I like to touch and feel the products. And, you know, when you can, like when I go thrifting though, I don't really try anything on. I just don't have time for that. And usually when I go and buy first-hand stuff too, I don't try stuff on either. Unless I just really, really think that it may not fit, then I might try it on. But most times I just don't feel like doing all that. So, no. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.